The Bambino Plus, a compact machine that's big on performance. Using professional-grade tools like a 54mm portafilter and an ideal dose of 18 grams of coffee, it delivers full-bodied flavor every single time. Look at that rich golden espresso. It all starts with low-pressure pre-infusion, followed by a perfect 9-bar extraction, just like your favorite cafe. But here's the magic. The hands-free steam wand creates velvety microfoam milk, ready for latte art. Feeling creative? Switch to manual and texture like a pro. With its thermojet heating system, you're ready to brew in just 3 seconds. No waiting, no hassle. The 4 Keys formula brings professional cafe standards to your kitchen. Precise temperature, perfect pressure, and consistent results. And it's energy efficient, using 32% less energy than traditional machines. Small, sleek, and stylish. It's the perfect fit for any space. From bold espressos to creamy lattes, the Bambino Plus brings the cafe experience to you. The Chef and FreshForce Juicer, the game changer for all your juicing needs. This compact powerhouse is here to squeeze the most out of your lemons, limes, and oranges. Thanks to its patented dual-gear mechanism, it delivers up to 20% more juice than your regular handheld juicers. Just cut, squeeze, and enjoy fresh, seed-free juice every time. Not only is it effective, but it's also kid-friendly and BPA-free, so the whole family can join in the fun. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just give it a quick rinse by hand. What more could you ask for? Why settle for less when you can have up to 20% more juice? The Chef and FreshForce Juicer isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer for anyone who loves fresh and flavorful juice. The Multi-Pro Go, the ultimate compact food processor that's here to save your time, space, and sanity. Big ideas do start small, and this little powerhouse proves it. It's compact enough to fit on your kitchen counter or in a drawer, but don't let its size fool you. The Multi-Pro Go packs serious punch. Chop, slice, grate, puree, even make pizza dough. Multi-Pro Go does it all. It's your ultimate partner for whipping up anything from fresh salsa to hearty family meals. And guess what? The Express Serve attachment lets you slice and grate directly onto a plate or into a pan. No extra bowls to wash? How cool is that? And speaking of washing up, who's got time for that? With dishwasher-safe parts, cleaning up is a breeze. Simple, smart, and easy to use. The sliding speed control gives you 2 speeds and a pulse option, so you're always in control. Plus, the Easy Store cable system keeps your drawer clutter-free. No more tangled cords. From snacks to main courses, Multi-Pro Go helps you prep like a pro, with no fuss and no clutter. The stainless steel multi-purpose scraper and chopper, the ultimate multitasker you didn't know you needed. This little powerhouse is perfect for dividing dough with ease. Whether you're making bread, cookies, or pizza crust, it's got you covered. And look at those measurement markings. Say goodbye to uneven pieces. Each section is perfectly precise. It's not just for dough. Use it to lift cookies, brownies, or even chop firm veggies like celery. Talk about versatility. Scrape, chop, gather, repeat. The stainless steel blade is tough, and the soft, non-slip handle makes it super comfy to use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. And check this out, it's tall enough to keep your hands away from the mess. Safety first, folks. Whether you're a pro baker or just starting out, this tool is a total game changer. The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the ultimate kitchen partner that does it all, literally. Powered by Element IQ, it knows exactly where and when to deliver heat for perfect results every time. Smart algorithms? Check. Super convection for crispy goodness? Double check. Craving guilt-free French fries, golden chicken wings, or even crispy bacon? The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro has you covered. With 14 smart cooking functions, you can toast, roast, bake, dehydrate, slow cook, and so much more. This beast doesn't just air fry, it can toast up to 9 slices of bread, bake a 6-kilogram turkey, or handle your favorite 12-cup muffin tray. Got a hungry crew? No problem. And guess what? Convection reduces cooking time by up to 30%. Faster cooking? Yes, please. Thanks to the built-in oven light, you'll see every moment of your masterpiece coming to life. And with digital PID temperature control, there are no cold spots, just perfectly even cooking. Whether you're a pro in the kitchen or just starting out, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro takes the guesswork out of cooking. Delicious meals made smarter and easier. The RFX Meat Wireless Probe, the only meat thermometer you can actually rely on. This isn't just a thermometer, it's a game changer. With patent-pending radio frequency technology, RFX keeps you in control like never before. Forget Bluetooth short leash. RFX blows it out of the water with an unmatched range of up to 1,500 feet. Grill in the backyard, watch the game inside, or hang out with friends. No strings attached. Powerful? You bet! RFX stays connected through walls and smokers for real-time precision. And with a 10-minute charge, it lasts over 50 hours. That's more cooking, less hassle. Sync it to the ThermoWorks cloud and monitor anywhere. Your cook, your control. RFX. Astonishingly stable, powerful, and reliable. The Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Can Opener. This isn't just any can opener. This little powerhouse is here to make your life smoother, easier, and mess-free. With its sleek design, it's not just functional, it looks great on any countertop. But let's get to the real magic. Opening cans with zero hassle. Place your can, press the lever, and let the magic happen. It cuts along the side for a smooth, mess-free edge. From pop-top cans to regular ones, this beauty handles them all with ease. Plus, the ergonomic lever means you don't need any grip strength. Perfect for everyone in the family. So, whether you're meal prepping or just cracking open tonight's dinner, the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Can Opener saves you time and effort. And did I mention it's super easy to clean? The Zojurishu Stainless Mug. Lightweight, sleek, and with a 25-ounce capacity, this stainless mug is built for style and function. Thanks to its vacuum-insulated stainless steel construction, this mug keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. Morning coffee stays piping hot, and summer iced tea stays refreshingly cold. No more rushing to finish your drink. And the best part? The lid is leak-proof and super easy to clean. No fiddly gaskets, no missing parts, just a clean, hassle-free experience every time. Plus, the 1 5/8-inch wide opening makes it easy to fill, clean, and even toss in some ice cubes for your cold drinks. Oh, and the slick steel polished interior? It's stain-resistant, odor-free, and a breeze to clean. The rounded sip area is designed for ultimate drinking comfort. You'll wonder why every mug isn't made this way. Whether you're running errands, working out, or enjoying a peaceful hike, the Zojurishu stainless mug is your perfect sidekick. Chef's Mandoline Slicer 2.0. The ultimate tool to slice, dice, and julienne like a pro chef without any fancy knife skills. It has 21 different cuts, adjustable thickness, straight, wavy, julienne, and even French fry blades built right in. Talk about versatile. Look how easy it is. In under 10 seconds, you can get perfect thin sweet potato chips. The angled blade makes slicing so fast and smooth. Adjust thickness with just a turn of the knob, and the indicator window shows your setting clearly. Easy peasy. And the julienne blade is already built in. Just turn the knob and boom, it's ready. No extra parts or risky knife work. With the Chef's Mandoline Slicer 2.0, you can make veggie chips, fries, and more in no time. It's fast, safe, and super easy. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, your ultimate kitchen sidekick for sealing, storing, and cooking with confidence. This isn't just any vacuum sealer. It's the big sibling to Anova's best-selling minimalist sealer, but with serious upgrades. First up, a high-power vacuum that seals your food with precision every single time. And check this out, it's got a double sealer for added reliability. Say goodbye to clutter. It comes with built-in bag storage and a cutter, so you're always ready to go. But wait, there's more. The accessory port lets you seal jars, containers, and even reseal wine bottles. No more wasted food or drinks. And for my sauce lovers and marinade masters, this bad boy handles wet foods like a pro. No mess, no stress. Oh, and did I mention? You can do it all with just one hand. Clamp, vacuum, seal. It's that easy. We call it the one-hand business. It's built to handle over 100 continuous seals, perfect for meal prepping, sous vide cooking, or just keeping your groceries fresh. From meats and cheeses to grains and coffee, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro keeps it all fresh for longer. Say hello to extended shelf life and goodbye to freezer burn. And with Anova's ultra-durable vacuum sealer bags and rolls, you can customize the size you need. Perfect for sous vide or freezer storage. Ready to seal, store, and sous vide like a pro? With the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, you're cooking with the best.